Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock secret codes on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So as you want to use secret codes, for example this one, you can see it doesn't work and it should. So in order to fix it, you'll need to go to the settings, then go to the security and privacy and find the auto blocker. Click on that. Now disable it. Click on turn off, and now you can see it has already opened it. So this is how it works. It works immediately. This didn't work, but maybe it's unavailable here. But there are other different codes that you can use to check your email and stuff. So now they are unlocked. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.